In the realm of foldable phones, both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Google Pixel Fold cater to distinct user preferences within the foldable genre. The Galaxy Z Fold 5, with its expansive 7.6-inch interior screen, stands out as a powerhouse tailored for those seeking superior processing capabilities. Its robust processor ensures elevated gaming experience, making it a preferred choice for those who prioritize raw power and multitasking prowess. Conversely, the Pixel Fold, Google's first foray into foldables, is designed with a sleek, pocket-friendly profile. It excels in the camera department, featuring the Google Tensor G2 chip for brilliant photos and videos. With a split-screen feature, the Pixel Fold is geared towards users who value seamless multitasking. In the nuanced comparison, where the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 dominates in processing power, the Pixel Fold shines with its superior camera capabilities. Both phones cater to specific user groups within the foldable landscape, emphasizing the importance of individual preferences. For more insights on the latest in tech, do not forget to hit the subscribe button.